Let's talk about Prompt Manager, or also known as Amazon Bedrock Prompt Management. This allows you to create reusable prompt templates with variable injection and create multiple variants of a prompt to quickly test and fine-tune your prompt engineering. The reason this is useful is that imagine that you want to um, test this prompt template against 3 or 4 different types of LLMs, or you want to quickly create variants and test the variants against each other. So I could see this being really useful for testing. Azure AI Studio has something very similar where you're doing bulk tests. The bulk part is kind of missing from this. So that's the thing I would think that they might get down the road. But right now it's like, it's hard to do, like, let's say 100 and iterate through this to create an evaluation test set, or like a output test set to see if things worked out correctly. So there's a lot of plumbing you have to do to get that to work. This thing is integrated with Amazon Bedrock Prompt Flow. It's a bit unusual because in Prompt Flow, and we'll see this in the hands-on lab when we do Prompt Flow, that I would have thought the way it would have worked is that it's like if you want to just have a prompt and then tie it to an agent or an LLM, but when you drag it into Prompt Flow, what happens is that you have to choose an LLM with it. So basically, it is the LLM as a component. And then you have to have a prompt template with it. It's a bizarre design choice, but you'll see that when we check out that section. But this stuff is very straightforward. You make variables and you insert the information you want, and that's going to go into your prompt here. So here I have a generic one where it's like, this is the kind of prompt template that I always like to have, which I'm like, role profession instructions response format. And the idea is you can then create variants of the data and then quickly test them, okay?